just full of music these days, I guess. What emotion is left to play when the sound takes you over? Your mind is on the loose, something about it makes you want it all over. It's not about looking good or having all the moves, as long as your heart is throwing it down with its own blues. And if this line can carry you through, say dance to the beats of your own groove. We got all night. Take your time. Do what makes you shine, what makes you feel alright. Tomorrow seems like yesterday, and once you get spinning around, I get this wonderful feeling I can touch the sound. Drip, drop, sound of color, a vision in my mind. Think less, feel more. Whole world of sound makes us whole. What brings us together? What makes us dance? What makes us sing words like pure romance? But what is this? What is it? Why does it take you over? What is the sound of music ringing, sending my soul to tell you more? But let's just have some fun. Play me something I can feel in my toes. Play me something more to make it sound like rolling thunder over the trees. Dear thunder God, bring me to my knees. Speak to me, the spirit of this earth, rising from the smoke and herb. Speak how peace can be done, 'cause I know those words have been spoken for. Let me see visions of majesty. I have no vision in my sleep, only when awake. Don't give me grief. Let me feel something before the nothing takes over. It's hotter in winter now, but the world has never been colder. It's okay, my friend. Lean on these strong shoulders by the sweat of my brow and the blood I've been given to save the sound of what's been given. What emotion is left to play when the sound takes you over? Your mind is on loose, yeah. Something about it makes you want it all over. It's not about looking good or having all the moves, as long as your heart is throwing it down to the sound of its own blues. There's only 1 minute left. That's good enough. I was gonna do some electric, but I have to go to work. Life. That's life.